The light body activation and the light body transmission, all of its materials, specifically identifies the energy system, as an evolving system with various components, such as the membranes that are part of the outer body, the chakras, the kundalini channels, and that it's working individually, but also they're working together, synthesized together. That could be like the unique part of the light body program and its transmission, is to specifically identify that, then give tools to develop the individual components, and also then to develop the interaction of those components, and then to realize what are the possibilities with that for creativity, for life change, working on the physical plane to grow our understanding, to stimulate our awakening, to expand our consciousness. It's very specific in terms of the light body materials and its transmission, is to clearly identify that and to work with processes to develop the individual components, interaction of those components, then develop it as an evolving system, similar to how the nervous system developed and evolves and continues to evolve. Respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive, immune, endocrine, all those systems are comprised of components that interact with each other and continue to develop as the human develops and changes. So I would say that the most current system that's surging ahead in its development and evolution is this energy system, the outer body system. And so that's why this kind of work is very appropriate at this time. If we go back in time in evolution, well, we can see that the nervous system and the brain went through a very quick, relative to time, a very quick disease of development, with the back brain emerging, the mammillary brain, the frontal brain. And in the light body work, we also recognize that the brain itself is continuing to develop, or outside the cranium, as an abstract brain. And so these kind of specific identifications is what light body activation is pursuing. Ultimately, the light body itself becomes a vehicle. So if we look at the baby in the womb, it had very small range of movement. And then when we emerge as a human being, we have a much greater range of movement, physical movement. And now we're entering into this vibrational state where we have the possibility to move at much greater distances and also interdimensionally. As we become more aware of that, that part of us becomes more formed and that possibility becomes more present. And so actually some of the processes that we are going to do are exploring those possibilities.